Now second type of particular integral. If the particular integral is in the form of sin ax divided by f of d or cos ax divided by f of d. So after successive differentiation of sine function or cos function, so denominator of sine and cos become sin ax by f of d square. So in trigonometric function, in denominator we always replacing this d square by coefficient of x, that is a square. So you have to replacing d square by minus a square. So minus a square means minus into a square value. So please don't write here minus a square as plus a square. So replace d square by minus a square, and here f of minus a square is not equal to 0. Suppose if f of minus a square is equal to 0, then differentiate denominator term and multiply by x here. And again replace d square by minus a square. So differentiation of f of minus a square become f dash of minus a square. So f dash of minus a square is not equal to 0. So continue the same process till the denominator is not equal to 0. Similarly for cos function, so here also replace d square by minus a square. So here also f of minus a square is not equal to 0. Then note, after replacing d square by minus a square, f of d is transformed in the form of alpha d plus or minus beta formula. Here alpha and beta are constant, and multiply numerator and denominator by opposite sign of alpha d plus or minus beta. So your plus or minus become minus or plus beta for continuing further to obtain particular integral. Second point is, this result is also applicable if the function is in the form of sin ax plus b into cos ax plus b, sin ax cos bx, sin ax sin bx, etc. Next one, if the function containing sin square x, so convert sin square x as 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Suppose if the function is cos square x, then replace cos square x as 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. Now by using the problem, we will discussing these points again. First example, solve d minus 2 whole square into y is equal to 8 into bracket e to the power 2x plus sin 2x. So its auxiliary equation solution. So auxiliary equation of d minus 2 whole square become m minus 2. So replace d by m. So m minus 2 whole square means m minus 2 into m minus 2. So therefore roots are 2 and 2. So both the roots are same and equal. So its complementary function become yc equal to c1 plus c2x e to the power 2x. Now yp or particular integral become 8 into bracket e to the power 2x divided by expansion of d minus 2 whole square plus sin 2x divided by d minus 2 whole square. So d minus 2 whole square become d square minus 4d plus 4. Say this one as p1 plus p2. We'll simplifying these result separately. So first one p1. So p1 is e to the power 2x d square minus 4d plus 4. So here function is exponential means we will applying the type 1 particular integral rule here. So replace d by coefficient of x, that is 4 minus 8 plus 4. so denominator become 0. So if denominator is 0, then differentiate denominator term. So d square become 2d, minus 4d is minus 4 and multiply by x. Then again replace d by coefficient of x as 2. So 4 minus 4, again denominator is 0. So once again differentiate 2d minus 4 and multiply by x. Yeah. So actually here we will not differentiate 2d minus 4. So 2d minus 4. So differentiation of minus 4 becomes 0. 2d become 2. So please correct the correction here. 1 in place of 1 by 4, write here 1 by 2. 1 by 2 x square e to the power 2x. Now P2 is sin 2x by t square minus 4d plus 4. So applying type 2 rule. So replace t square by 2. We will not replacing d, only replace d square. So in place of t square, we will using the coefficient of x as minus 2 square. So minus 2 square become minus 4a. So minus 4 minus 4d plus 4. So plus 4 minus 4 cancelled out. Minus 1 divided by 4 and sin 2x divided by d. And we know that 1 by d denotes integration. So integration of sin 2x become minus cos 2x divided by 2. So which use the plus cos 2x divided by 8. So add P1 and P2 which use the YP. Second example, solve d cube minus t into y is equal to 2 into e to the power x plus 4 cos x. So auxiliary equation of d cube minus t is m cube minus m equal to 0. Here m is common, so m into bracket m square minus 1 equal to 0. So which denotes that m equal to 0 and m square minus 1 equal to 0, or m square is equal to plus or minus 1. So equation is cubic, means it has 3 roots, 0, plus 1 and minus 1. So all the roots are different, so therefore its complementary function is c1 e to the power 0x. So 0x means its value become 1, therefore write here c1 only, plus c2 e to the power plus x plus c3 e to the power minus x. Then particular integral, divide 2 e to the power x by t cube minus d and cos x by t cube minus d. So again these two terms will separating separately, p1 and p2. So p1 means first term. Again first term containing exponential term, so replace d by coefficient of x. Here coefficient of x is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So denominator become 0. So if denominator is 0, then differentiate denominator term and multiply by x. So d cube become 3d square. Differentiation of d is 1 and multiply by x. Then again replace d by coefficient of x. So 3 minus 1, 2x e to the power x become x e raised to x. And here denominator is 1, which is not equal to 0. Now p2 cos x by d cube minus t. So cos x is trigonometric function. Here we will replacing d square by coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is minus 1. So for convenience we have to replace, we have to rewriting d cube as d square into d, and d square value is -1, so minus d that become minus 2d. So 1 divided by d is again integration, so integration of cos x is sin x minus sin, sorry, plus sin x, so which use the yp. So these are another few examples on type 2, e to the power 2x and cos 2x. Next one is sin 2x. So roots are 2 minus 1, different roots, complementary function and its particular integration. So we'll try this example which use these roots of these results. So one more example is t cube minus 1 into y is equal to 3 cos 2x. So roots and its complementary function and particular integral. So roots of m cube minus 1 is m equal to 1 and m equal to minus 1 by 2 plus or minus square root of 3 divided by 2. So e to the power minus x by 2, c1 cos square root of 3 by 2x plus c2 sin square root of 3 divided by 2x plus c2 e to the power x. So here you will not return c2 e to the power x, you have to add the result. Then yp is 3 cos 2x divided by d cube minus 1. Here we will replacing d square by coefficient of x, that is minus 2 square. So minus 2 square is minus 4 into d minus 1. So denominator is in the form of alpha d plus or minus beta 4. So therefore multiply and divide by opposite sign of denominator. So we will replacing the middle sign, in place of minus we have to using plus sign, then multiply this function. So 3 cos 2x into minus 4d. So d means differentiation of cos 2x. So differentiation of cos 2x is minus sin 2x and differentiation of 2x become 2. So 2 into 3 6, 6 into 4 24, 24 sin 2x plus 1 into 3 cos 2x, and denominator is minus 4d into minus 4d, that is plus 16d square, then minus 1 into plus 1, it become minus 1. So again denominator term containing d square, so you have to replace the coefficient of x as 2 and 2, that is minus 2 square. So minus 4 into 16 minus 1, which use the minus 65. So denominator is not equal to 0 means it is the required particular integral. So which is the complete solution.